back, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a very special unboxing and I'm very excited. This is one I did before, but then I didn't do the unboxing and I didn't post a review because before I could post a review I gave the picture away to my aunt. So, but if you saw my unboxing of The Woman in Gold, well, this is another one of Gustav Klimt. It also comes to us from Dotz, and it is The Kiss. So, I've did this one before and it was such a pleasure to work on and I wanted it for myself. So I ordered it again and I'm gonna do this one after the ones I told you I would do. Oh my god, I've got so many paintings I want to do. But this one I will do this, work this up also really fast. Because I didn't do a review of The Woman in Gold, I believe. I don't know if I did a review. And I gave her away, so I might do that one for myself also. So, it's a really large one, and it says on the box it's advanced expert. Well, that depends. It's not really like you have to be an advanced diamond painter, but you have to be aware that it's a big canvas and that you have got like these big special drills, and those you have to place with tweezers. These cannot be placed with your normal diamond painting pen. You might try, but it's difficult, I can assure you. So, Diamond Dotz always poured glue. And if you saw my mistake of the previous video, like I rolled back mounted glue. Oh my god, how stupid. Yeah, never do that. If you have mounted glue, like the only company I know that has mounted glue is Treasure Studios Art. So if you have a canvas of them, don't roll it backwards. But this is mounted glue, so you can roll mounted. This is poured glue. Oh, sorry, it has been a long day already. Many problems at work. So what am I going to do? This one I can roll back. I can. So, I hope you are all fine. Not too much health issues, I hope. It's a really big one. Really big. So, it didn't take me so long, the first one, because it works up really quick. There is some confetti, there's some color blocking, so it's for everyone a little bit of look at this. I'll put it that way. Sorry about the glare. Put it that way. Look at them. So Diamond Dotz, most of the time it's Diamond Dotz is not a full, this is a partial, so this area is not diamond painted, nor is his face, her face, so the hands are also not diamond painted. All the rest is diamond painting. And it has got special drills, so I can't wait to show them. You're gonna love this, really. When this is finished, I will post a review and you will have to try this for yourself. This on a wall and the sun shining on the wall, it's absolutely amazing. So, what you get. Diamond Dotz always gives you in so many languages, you can't imagine how many languages. You've got all the details of how to diamond paint. Okay, that's what you got. Then you got, I'm gonna take the toolkit out of the drills bag. So, diamond dots. This is the toolkit of diamond dots. So you've got your wax. It's actually pretty good wax. It's not the see-through wax. It's more opaque, so that's actually very good. It comes in a little container. You've got a diamond painting pen. You've got a gray boat with a spout. You've got baggies. So that's your normal toolkit. That's what you get. Then, for the drills, first of all, I will do the normal drills. Let's go. Are you ready? The drills of diamond dots, they have no DMC codes. Most of the time their numbers are 5,000 and so on, and the ABs have got other numbers. So I won't tell you the DMC code, I will just show you the drills. So I'm gonna put on my light, maybe I can see more clearly. Yeah, put on your light, Lenka. Yeah. Oh, maybe that's a little bit too bright, because you can't see the shine of the... Wait. Yeah, that's better. So this is salmon pink, I would call this. Salmon pink AB. AB stands for Aurora Borealis, and it means that the drill has got an extra iridescent coating, so it makes all the other drills shine. It's really beautiful. This in a painting is, oh my god, absolutely beautiful. So we've got some... This looks very orange in the camera, but in fact it's more like yellow. It's dark yellow, lighter yellow, even more lighter yellow, really pale yellow. We got green, green. I was wrong. The numbers of diamond dots are 8,000 and so on, and it's the ABs that have got the numbers from 5,000. So, and this is a brownish. So that's the first string of drills. Let me put it aside. Then, next string. Which one did I use? This one. Sorry, I have to keep them a little bit apart. So next is, this is a dark pink. It looks red, but it's actually dark pink. It's also, oh, this is a beautiful pink. You've got black. Two packages of black. No, that's not black. It's more like, I don't know if it's black. Yeah, it must be black. This is blue, my favorite color, mint green. This is actually dark orange, red, and this is dark red. Then we've got... Wait, sorry. I'm gonna put that aside. We've got like a brown, lighter brown, orange brown. This is a very special color. It's like brownish gray. We've got the same color but a little bit lighter. We've got, this is really a white gray, green, another bag of yellow ABs, darker yellow, lighter yellow, many yellows and gold. Yeah, that's Klimt. I love it. So then to the special ones. Yellow, brownish, beige, brown, brown, dark brown, wine color, burgundy brown, white AB, yay. And these are the famous golden drills. They look really good. I don't see much trash. So you've got 2 bags of those golden drills. And then the special drills. Yay. Oh, they're so beautiful. Oh my. So this is like, how would you call it? It's a rectangle. It looks a bit like a diamond silvery rectangle. So then you have silver squares, big squares. This is a salmon. It's really a salmon color, like, yeah, pinkish, dirty pink. We call it dirty pink. Salmon color. The same squares, but those are reds. Then you've got teardrop shaped blue. And these ones, look at these, they're so beautiful. They're like these rainbow teardrop shapes. Those are almost the same, but they're not teardrops. They're another shape, but it's the same effect. And then you have got purple round special drills. So that's for the special drills and the drills. This painting hasn't got so much gold as the woman in gold, but even though with the special drills and everything, it's really beautiful. So, and I might check if I could do some extra ABs in the flowers. Maybe I have some stash red AB, so I might do that. I don't know yet. I'll see if it's not too much, because look at the dress, it's so beautiful. So let's take a look at the drill fields. I forgot to tell you, I like this very much about paintings, when they tell you the design size and the fabric size. So the fabric size is 40 by 80 centimeters, so 25.2 inches on 31.5 inches, and the design size is 55.9 on 71.12 centimeters. So they tell you that. So fabric size 46 by 80. It's poured glue, so really beautiful. Don't mind if there are some, like, you can see like these, those are not rivers. It's like there's less amount of glue on that particular place, but that's no trouble for the placing of the drills. So the drill fields, try to focus. Maybe I should put on my light for that one. Yeah, that's better. So as always, try to focus. Focus, please. Please focus. I don't know why he doesn't want to focus. I'm so sorry. Okay, there we are. So the drill field is really clear. You have got some training wheels here. So for people who don't like training wheels, it's not every symbol, but some of them have got a wheel around it. Some of them, not all of them. So I don't really mind, but I understand that some people don't like it very much. But yeah, even though the result is always gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my god, the colors. I love that so much. So, I can't wait to start this one. I can't wait to start many paintings I have in my stash, and I'm a person that likes to work one at a time, so you might have to have some patience with me. But as I told you, I diamond paint almost every day, so normally I will get there very soon. And I'm thinking about reordering the Woman in Gold, so maybe in the near future I will do an review of that painting also, because yeah, I'm gonna quickly put away my drills. I think that's all I have to show you today. Again, if you want to join me on Facebook and in my Facebook group, please do so. Just subscribe if you want to see more videos. Like, I'm talking and it's crinkling at the same time. I'm so sorry. So if you want to see more videos like this, just subscribe or give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. You never know. Join my Facebook group and find me on Facebook. I've got a business page. And I hope to see you very soon in the next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.